So my name is Susan Park from the University of Sydney in the Department of Government and International Relations, where I'm an associate professor. And the main findings of my research have really been to unpack and reveal the normative biases in global environmental governance, specifically looking at public, private and voluntary systems of governance and even hybrid systems, which tend to hew to a specific form of accountability. So public systems, forms of accountability based on electoral representation; in private systems, forms of meeting market requirements of supply and demand and holding producers to account; and in voluntary systems where environmental non-government organisations are held to account for meeting agreed upon moral standards or normative standards. Accountability is often seen in relation to or used in addition to transparency, but fundamentally transparency is a vital component of accountability. You can't hold somebody to account if you're unaware of their actions. So you need transparency in order to hold somebody to account. And accountability as a concept is often based on this idea of rendering an account. But the second definition of accountability is also that it's based on being able to hold somebody to account for their actions after they've provided a justification and reasoning, and if that justification and reasoning is not seen as legitimate, to be able to sanction their activities. So there is a very strong connection between the two, but they are distinct and that they are components that are interrelated. But sustainability is all about being able to provide that transparency and to hold actors, whoever they are, to account for their behaviour in governing, I would argue, or my research demonstrates, for governing the global environment.